A certain company in the Midwest that manufactures sump pumps, sewage pumps, approached us about approving their marking methods on their nameplates. The data they put on their nameplates is for part identification, date codes and capacities, voltage 110, 200, 220, flow rates of the pump, as well as serial number and date codes for warranty information. Previously, they were hand marking those nameplates and had a lot of quality issues, a lot of reject issues, and I wanted to increase their brand image, if you will. Our solution was to propose a Styliner Mark3 4x4, which is more of an automated system, a lot higher quality. They can program and store a lot of, pretty much an unlimited number of nameplates. They've been extremely happy. Their quality has gone up exponentially, and their reject rate has dropped to almost zero.